Hello learners, welcome back to yet another program on Python programming. Today we are going to write a program to check whether the given integer is leap year or not. So first let's understand what do you mean by leap year. So leap year comes after every fourth year. We get extra 1 day. So here we have some conditions to find out whether the year is leap year or not. So for that, first let's take year from user. I've taken year as my variable input into the year. As there should be an integer, we have to typecast it into integer. So int of input. After this, we have to use some conditions. Those are if my year is exactly divisible. When I say exactly divisible by 4 means I should get remainder as 0. So for remainder, we make use of modulus. And if year is not exactly divisible by 100, not exactly divisible means we are going to divide 100 and the remainder is not equal to 0. If that is so, we have to print. I want that year should be get printed here. Year, comma, in bracket I'm going to take the message which will be printed as it is. So here is the leap year. Okay, great. Else. So here else we'll see year is a common year or you can say not leap year. Okay, let's try to execute. I'll make use of this 2024. If you notice, we, this current year is a leap year. If I try to take 2025, let's check. That will be a common year. Here we have one more condition. Here I'm going to make use of if. When we have more than one condition to check, we make use of elif. I'm going to check this condition will be for century years. Okay. If the year is exactly divisible by 400, we are going to print here is a leap year. Okay, let's try for 3000. Yes, it is a leap year. Hope you have understood how to find out the leap year with the help of three different conditions. First condition will be for leap year, which is exactly divisible 4. There are century years also for this, the second condition. And the third condition is for the common year. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.